Welcome to Guardians Training's Final Accounts Training course. Dive into the world of financial statements and gain in-depth analysis skills. Our program focuses on preparing and analyzing balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. You'll learn to use accounting software like Sage, XERO, and QuickBooks, and understand the vital accounting guidelines and standards. Master the art of financial reporting, evaluate an organization's economic health, and make informed decisions. Our practical approach ensures you're equipped for real-world scenarios, including comprehensive company filings and corporation tax calculations. At Guardians Training, we are committed to providing you with a holistic accounting training experience. Our 100-hour, 85-session advanced-level course is designed to align with your learning objectives and equip you with the skills demanded by the industry. Join us today and take the first step towards a successful and fulfilling accounting career. Together, let's make your ideal job a reality.